Money token is used as a currency in the case of transactions such as arbitrage between exchanges and is also used for major cryptocurrency transactions. Today we are going to discuss each and everything regarding the money token, and also we are going to share such a great airdrop of money token, and also I am going to share a bounty with you of money token at this time. Before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon, and do follow us on all the social media so you are not going to miss any type of news and any type of new update. First of all, what is money token all about and what is the total supply? It is basically an ERC20 based token, and here you can see the major things regarding this one token. The basically at this time the airdrop round 1 is ongoing, in which you will be able to get up to $50 of MNT entirely free in their Telegram bot. And here you can also see it is basically a blockchain technology, good demand due to only 1 million supplies over there. Nothing, no one, not even a single token is going to add in it. So that is such a great thing for all of you. And here you can find out each and everything. The name of this token is basically a money token, and the symbol is MNT, and as I told you, it is basically an ERC20 based token. So here you can see the contract address and also the decimal, and the basic thing regarding the whole theme of this token is the allocation. Here you can see the 20% for the main self drop, 20% for the first round of the airdrop, the 10% for marketing and promotion, 10% for the IEO, 25% only, and only from the 100% only 25% is basically reserved, and the 10% only for the team. So that is entirely each and everything regarding the money token. So right now I am going to share such a great bounty of money token with you. So basically right now it is your chance to grab up number of MNT directly from the V bounty. What you have to do, you just have to click on login, and then you just have to enter your email address, and then the password will come towards you, and you have to enter that one password, and then simply you will log in on the platform of V bounty. After that one, you just have to click on the personal center, and here you will find an option where you have to put your personal MyEtherWallet address, and also you have to click on event homepage. After basically clicking on the event homepage, you will find such a great option. You just have to click on join now, and then you can just, it is entirely easy, I will show you that one. You just have to enter a simple code in their Telegram, and then after basically binding your Telegram with the V bounty, then you have to use your own referral link, and also you can follow them. Here you just have to click on invite friends, and here comes your entire referral link. And secondly, you can also follow them on the Twitter, so you will definitely get number of MNT tokens directly in your personal MyEtherWallet address. That is basically the whole theme regarding the bounty. But now I am going to share I am going to share the whole airdrop with you, which will around will give you about $50 airdrop. So here we are basically on the Telegram bot at this time. So first of all, you have to click on the start, then you have to join their group and also their main channel. After basically joining their channel, you just have to click on continue, then you have to submit your entire details over here. And here you can find out, first of all, you have to join their both Telegram group and channel, and then you have to follow them on the Twitter, and the pinned tweet you have to like that one and retweet with the tag of 3 friends. And after doing that one, you just have to complete everything, and at the end you just have to put your personal MyEtherWallet address over here and use your own referral link, and with the help of your with the help of your own referral link, you will be able to collect $10 for each valid referral. So that is such a great thing. You must have to grab this airdrop because it is your time, it is your main theme to do it. And I hope you like my video. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. And also you must have to join the bounty, and before entering and before investing in anything, you must have to read each and everything regarding the project. As I told you, you must have to read regarding the money token, and main focus, you must have to see this thing that the entire supply is only and only 1 million MNT, the 1 million MNT over there. Thanks a lot.